Back to the weather tonight, and if you have any loose objects outside, be sure to bring them inside or secure them before you go to bed. Here is a live look at Blowing Rock, which has a high wind warning in place tonight, along with the rest of our mountain counties. Just a lot of raindrops on that camera lens.
All right, let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Tara Lane. I mean, they look like molecules that were under like some kind of science experiment, right? Yeah, but I mean, we have some winds coming in tonight, so that's a big concern, right?
And they weren't blowing around some of those power lines and trees. Everything was kind of still here at the moment, but we have a line of some real gusty wind and maybe a few storms, some downpours kind of clipping some of our mountain communities here heading in from the west. So we're going to talk about that, and even, yes, outside of any gusty storms after the rain moves out and the snow for you all in some of the mountain communities tapers off tomorrow morning. That wind will linger for a little while longer. So strong winds across our area. That's going to be the headline through the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. And as we look live there over uptown, you can see the low clouds. We've got the rain that's scattered around. How much rain from the past 48 hours, according to radar estimates, picking up as much as 2 to 3 inches. Look at that. Some of those higher totals off to the east, out toward eastern part of Chesterfield County. We picked up close to an inch here at last check. Again, this is according to radar. Maybe some of your backyard rain gauges showing a little bit more, but close to an inch down through parts of the upstate, about a third of an inch, where it was a little bit drier earlier today, headed up toward the foothills, and about an inch or so in some of the mountain communities. As we look around right now, actually had a recent lightning strike showing up there just to the east of Salisbury, it looks like, with that downpour in that southeastern part of Rowan County. And then we head farther south and down Highway 52 into Albemarle. We still have some of those light to moderate scattered showers. These are all pushing off to the east, so more of that rain getting into Norwood, Polkton, Ansonville along that stretch of 52, and heads up you all in Richmond County. Some of that rain is headed your way. It's just plain rain here as we look across Iredell County up into the foothills, Taylorsville, Morganton. It gets a little heavier over parts of Burke County. And notice this line here. So notice how it's bending quite a bit. That's that intense wind, 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts here pushing that line in that direction toward Bristol. We've got Tiger Valley on the map here, and it looks like that line on the southern end of it included in that severe thunderstorm warning. So as I said, parts of Avery County, you all Watauga County, maybe even near Ashe County, just watch out for some of that wind that could impact you all here shortly, and some of the heavy rain. But that's all wrapping around that area of low pressure and stalled front. We've got this trailing cold front that's going to whip up and away and out of here. So by tomorrow, even in the morning, we'll be waking up to sunshine. So it's out of here pretty quickly over the next couple of hours or so. Now, temperatures today didn't feel terribly cold. We topped out at 60, a little above average, and we haven't cooled down much since then. We're still holding in the mid upper 50s, those upper 40s up there in the mountains. So let's talk about the wind. Again, it's not so bad yet, but as mentioned, we do have that high wind warning in effect for the mountains until 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. It's in effect for the Charlotte area. Everywhere else, so you see that beige color wind advisory until about noon tomorrow. So as we said, take in, tie down any loose outside objects definitely before bed tonight so they don't blow around or you lose them. Could have some down tree limbs and power lines, and therefore power outage will be a possibility. Let's check out some of those future wind speeds here, up around the 40 to 50, 60 mile per hour range. It looks like they're going to hit their peak late tonight and tomorrow morning, and that goes too for the Charlotte area before the numbers start to come down the later we get into the afternoon. By tomorrow evening, it's definitely much more relaxed. And so showers and storms ending, kind of lifting out to the north and east, but then you can see what happens on the backside here. We see that transition to that high elevation mountain snow just for a little bit early tomorrow morning before sunshine quickly returns. So it's not going to add up to much, maybe up to an inch or two in the highest elevations. Otherwise, just a beautiful day besides the wind that is starting to settle later in the day tomorrow, high of about 58 degrees. And then if you do have plans to go out for Valentine's Day on Wednesday, it looks lovely. Lots of sunshine, that high temperature right around 60 degrees. And we are continuing to warm into the 60s, low to mid 60s through the end of the week. Only a small rain chance heading into the weekend.